So, my people, ladies and gentlemen, so right now, right here, I want to talk about this, all these things really go on about this coronavirus and all those G5 and these IoT ID 2020 and the COVID-19 vaccine. So, my people, as I see this thing right now, right here, the thing don't dey too rampant, and at the same time, the thing don't dey confusing. Even the scientists for the past 3 months or 4 months now, for the whole world, they still don't understand this COVID-19. First of all, they say that just flu. They affect underage like that, and later they affect. Secondly, they say they stay for hair, they airborne, but later they say they airborne. They affect black people, later they affect black people self because even they keep us according to them. Anyway, wetin I want just try analyze say this whole thing, it dey real. COVID-19 is real. Stay indoor. If you need to go out for anything, if it's very important, maybe you won't go work, or you dey work for medical, they work with medical team concerning these whole things, this whole COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah, you fit go out, or you want go do some exercise, just like I said they do. So I just go out to walk around for inside woods. You see, I say inside wood nowadays. So inside bush, walk paths. So I prefer inside quiet place like this to just do my walking, just to walk around. You get fresh air. This is the only place you feel breathe at least fresh air, and you hear the sound of birds. They make me calm. So that's why I like to waka inside footpaths like this or inside woods. So, and when you want do am alone or with other person, at least keep your distance. So, wetin I want to talk be say, you see all these things where they go on, so everything na plan. They don't plan everything. You understand? So, not take them like joke. Because people will plan them, then they're very intelligent. They know say people still dey intelligent. Maybe say you go tell them say within weeks, people go tell them say, hey, this thing na audio. So they make them real. COVID-19, they real. But the real reason for COVID-19 are the vaccine. And the vaccine are because of the 5G. The radiation for the 5G they affect, and they know. And to protect you from the radiation, they need to give you vaccine. And they not go fit force you to take vaccine unless you dey sick. Unless they let you know say you dey sick. You understand? You no go fit just take vaccine or medication unless you dey sick. So that's why they have to make everybody sick. Which kind sickness go fit make the whole world dey serious? COVID-19 pandemic. So you all need to understand, say, just because they no fit force everybody take am, so they need to make everybody voluntarily take am, and those when still rebel against to take am, they will now force them based on they now have power of the many, which means Just like as they don't impose stay at home ban so, and it dey reasonable. Everybody stay at home, nobody dey resist. The same way they go take impose the law of taking that vaccine. How they go take make am? Right now they believe say almost all the whole world don dey infected. So now they believe say almost everybody go dey infected. Now for them to make sure say people take am, na to make sure say you must take am, so that they go say if you no take am, make you no go infect other people wey don already take am. If you no take am, no be by force. But if you must travel, if you must go to bank, if you must go shopping, if you must go any public place, you need to be protected. So if you are not protected, you dey danger, you dey endanger other people. So it's either you stay in your house or you take the vaccine. You see the logic? You see the logic? So now people will now take, say, now vaccine is not to just protect me. If me don't take, why you no go take? So that is the logic for everybody to take the vaccine. And this vaccine, once you take them, any medicine you take, any drugs, there is scientific proof say any drugs get their own side effect. And the side effect where this vaccine go give you, go make you need to dey take supplements for the rest of your life. Now there the pharmaceutical company merge with the internet company wey be say now there they want begin make money. All these things na plan. When 4G come, when America lock 4G, they make almost more than 400 billion. More than 400 billion. $400 billion. So now, if they feel launch 5G, then they expect to make nothing less than 600 to 800 billion. And they go boost their economy very high. But right now, China don't overtake, China don't do them. And for this thing to work, America need to support. You understand? So now there, all the stakeholders for America, now they come together with Bill Gates. Bill Gates, not be, where they talk all these things, you see, are they concerned about Africa? Bill Gates not be friend of Africa, not be friend to Africans. It's not a friend. Bill Gates, in his own biography, said categorically, Africans should be depopulated. What did that thing sound like? How he mean? He mean make Africans, may they kill most of Africans, may they reduce the reproductive organs of Africans so that may they know they feel born or produce children. That will not be an annihilation. The same person right here now they go, they say in they help African with vaccine to protect pregnant women and children. Why pregnant women? Why children? And they see the things. So if you really want help African, the only way you want help African, check out somebody like this musician, this Akon. Akon, they give light to some African communities. Wetin happen to if you give light? Wetin happen to if you use your influence to fight the corruption in Africa? That will not be help. So wetin concern vaccine? And why pregnant women and children? When you don't already get history of your own belief that Africans should be depopulated. So make everybody understand this issue. And him is an internet mogul. So my people, you see this 5G, you see this COVID-19, this thing, we don't need them for Africa. We don't need the vaccine. Stand against 5G. Resist the vaccine. Because it no go do you any good. It no go do me any good. But that I want to talk my people. Now well done.